Hello, everyone. Welcome to Therapy Clips with Dr. O. I'm from the organization Human Service Consultants. Today, the focus of our topic will be on improving your problem solving skills. So, how do you go about doing this? We all have problems, each and every one of us. There's no exception to this rule, there's no discrimination against it. We all have problems from time to time. Some people's problems are more exacerbated because of living conditions and environment, and some people may not know how to solve a problem. So basically, what I am going to teach you in this very short and brief video is how to go about solving problems. Okay, the first thing you need to do is identify the problem. When you can identify the problem, you can break it down and develop actions to address whatever challenges are related to it. The next thing is to identify the main elements of the problem. Okay, so you're breaking this problem down into smaller pieces. For example, you may say, I need money to pay my gas and electric bill. I just don't have enough money to do that. So the problem is paying the gas and electric bill. So we have identified the problem. The next thing is to break it down into elements of how we're going to go about solving this particular issue. And so when we break it down, we begin to think, well, how can I get this money to pay the gas and electric bill? In this particular case, we can rely on resources, community-based resources, if you don't have enough. For example, the Department of Social Services, the Urban League, the various churches in the community, each can donate something to help you to pay the gas and electric bill. Now, you can always look for other resources like community-based resources. Catholic charities, for example, can also help in situations like this. But if you don't know what to do, 211 on your telephone will link you to that particular counselor who's online to help you to identify the resources within your community that can help you along the way to solving the issue of the gas and electric problem. So, that third step is that you are going to begin to examine the possible solution. And the possible solution that I just mentioned is to identify resources within your community that can help you along the way. The fourth thing that you need to do is to take action. Taking action on those resources means calling different organizations, seeing if they can help by making a donation. So if the gas and electric bill is $300 and the only thing you have is $50, then you can call various organizations and ask if they can donate at least $25. These different organizations, once again, are community-based and your church resources. So lean towards the church. Call them. They often make contributions to helping to resolve these type of issues. The final step in problem solving is look for the lessons that you learned from the situation so that you won't make that same type of issue occur again. So if the gas and electric bill is normally $150 a month, then something happened to make it go up to $300 a month. If you know that you've been on target with paying your gas and electric bill in a timely manner, Then talk to the gas and electric company to understand why the bill has increased. That's number one. And then if you know that you did not pay the bill when you should have paid it, make sure that you're paying your bills on time. That way you won't get the accumulation of late charges. Well, with that being said, this has been a very, very brief presentation on problem solving skills. I'll go over it once again briefly, just as a highlight to help you to understand. First, identify the problem. Second, define the main elements of the problem. Third, examine possible solutions. Fourth, act on resolving the problems. And fifth, look for lessons that you learned from the situation so that you won't have that type of situation to come up again. Now, problem solving skills are very, very helpful to us to help us determine why an issue is happening and how to resolve the issue. This has been Dr. O from Human Service Consultants. I'd like to thank you for your time. I like for everything for you to go as beautifully as possible. I don't want you to create problems for yourself because that's going to lead to worry, stress, anxiety, depression. Learn your problem-solving skills effectively so that you can head off problems before they come. Once again, have a blessed day. Love yourself. Love someone. And don't forget to take time for your higher power, because your higher power is taking time for you. Peace be with you.